rise from roots so deep. Through the soil their secrets seep. Drums of ages call my name, echoing where time lays claim. We walk with wisdom carved in stone. Through their blood our path is shown. Their voices guide where rivers bend. A sacred bond that will not end. Shadows dance and fires light. Stories told in endless night. Hands that build with love and pain left their mark like ancient rain. The winds carry their mighty song through the hills where we belong. Hearts are tethered to their mind. They give us strength to face the fight. We walk with wisdom carved in stone. Through their blood our path is shown. Their voices guide where rivers bend. A sacred bond that will not end. Golden skies and earth's embrace. Each step is blessed by their grace. We are threads in their great weave. Legacies we dare believe. Found the calm within the storm. Quiet fire to keep me warm. The chaos fades, the noise unwinds. A gentle rhythm soothes my mind. Inner peace, a light that shines. A love that grows through endless time. A heart that whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. I walk through shadows bathed in gold. Each step a story to be told. The world is brighter when I give. A life of love is mine to live. Inner peace, a light that shines. whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. I let the fear just drift away, replaced with joy in every day. The present moment here to stay. A sacred song I softly play. Inner peace, a light that shines. A love that grows through endless times. A heart that whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. I wear my skin like the earth wears its sun. Golden hues where the rivers run. Born of kings and queens long untold. In my veins, a story of roots of gold. I rise like the dawn from the cradle of time. Every step I take, the mountains climb. Strong and radiant, unbowed, unbent. I carry my pride, my soul's testament. Under the baobab where ancestors sing. Echoes of wisdom, they give me wings. My feet on the soil, my heart in the sky. Resilient spirit, I'll never deny. I rise like the dawn from the cradle of time. Every step I take, the mountains climb. Strong and radiant, unbowed, unbent. I carry my pride, my soul's testament. Through the storms and the winds, I'll remain. Unbroken by loss, unshaken by pain. The roots run deep, the branches extend. Africa's heart beats, it will never end. I rise like the dawn from the cradle of time. Every step I take, the mountains climb. Strong and radiant, unbowed, unbent. I carry my pride, my soul's testament. one sky where dreams collide, hands reaching out across the seas. One world bound in harmony, colors blend like rivers flow. Differences make our beauty glow. From every corner voices rise, a symphony that never dies. One heartbeat, together we shine, breaking the walls with love divine. Peace and love in every embrace, a universal light we all can chase. Mountains high and valleys low, the path of love is all we know. No borders here, no lines to draw. We build a bridge with hearts in awe. Oh, the stars, they guide our way through the night into the day. Together stronger we will be, a force of love eternally. One heartbeat, together we shine, breaking the walls with love divine. Peace and love in every embrace, a universal light we all can chase. Echoes whisper through the trees at night, tales of ancestors in the pale moonlight. They carve their stories in the earth so deep, a legacy of dreams we vow to keep. Hold the rules and spread your wings, carry forward what the old song sings. Every heartbeat tells a tale so true, cultural threads weaving me and you. In the soil lies the wisdom of the past, a heritage built to forever last. Through the rivers and the mountains high, their voices live, they will never die. Hold the rules and spread your wings, carry forward what the old song sings. Every heartbeat tells a tale so true, cultural threads weaving me and you. The fire in the heart still burns so bright, sings. Every heartbeat tells a tale so true. Cultural threads weaving me and you. I walk a path where the sun always shines. With love in my heart and peace in my mind. Roots grow deep where the truth is sown. In the garden of courage, your strength is shown. Living life with courage, bold and free. Faith like the mountains, rising from the sea. Guided by the light of a higher mission. Standing tall with Rastafari conviction. The winds may howl, but I never will sway. Grounded in the truth, come what may. Every step forward a blessing in disguise. With fire in my soul, stars in my eyes. Living life with courage, bold and free. Faith like the mountains, rising from the sea. Guided by the light of a higher mission. Standing tall, Rastafari conviction. Through the storms and the thunder's roar, I find my peace on the lion's shore. The chains of fear break under the sun. A warrior's heart till the battle is won. The road is long, but my spirit won't tire. Fueled by the flame of a righteous fire. Every heartbeat echoes with intention. A life defined by Rastafari conviction. Spark ignites in the quiet night. Truth erupts like a blinding light. No chains can hold this burning shout. The fire's here to call them out. Stand flows in its gentle breeze, a gift of life from sacred trees. It speaks in green, a quiet song, guides the weary where they belong. Through ancient hands, its wisdom past, the timeless bond built to last. Ganja grows where the spirit flies, roots so deep they touch the skies. Medicine flows in its gentle breeze, a gift of life from sacred trees. From sacred trees. Breathe it in, let it heal your soul. A natural way to make you whole. Through every leaf, a story's told. A sacred plant worth more than gold. Ganja grows where the spirit flies, roots so deep they touch the skies. Medicine flows in its gentle breeze, a gift of life from sacred trees. From sacred trees. They walk the streets with heavy chains, their voices echo through the pain. The weight of silence burns like fire, but hope still climbs, it won't expire. Rise up, the time is near. The truth is louder than the fear. We break the walls, we lift the sky. Together strong, we'll never die. A thousand hands will light the way through shadows dark and skies of gray. The power's ours, we take the stand. The earth will tremble where we land. Rise up, the time is near. The truth is louder than the fear. We break the walls, we lift the sky. Together chains we wore are rust and dust. They'll never shatter our deep trust. The battle's long, but hearts won't break. Each step we take for justice' sake. Rise up, the time is near. The truth is louder than the fear. We break the walls, we lift the sky. Together strong, we'll never die. Shadows linger, but we rise to fight. Through the cracks we find the light. No more whispers, we will shout aloud. Our spirit's free, we wear it proud. Break the chains, tear down the wall. No empire can make us small. From the ashes we reclaim our name. This is freedom, we ignite the flame. in the fight. Every shadow fades away. Jah is with me every day. Jah Jah lead. Whoa, whoa. Through the fire, through the glow, through the glow. Feel the love, let it flow, let it flow. Jah is here, now we know, now we know. Morning sun whispers soft on my face. A quiet moment in this hurried race. I find myself in the stillness of time. A hidden strength, a rhythm, a rhyme. In the ear of my right, I see 1,000 truths staring back at me. Reflection bends but never breaks. In silence I hear. In of shadows I climb, chasing the light beyond all time. Zion called with a voice so clear, a melody only the faithful hear. Mountains rise, but I won't delay. To the holy place I find my way. Rivers whisper the truth they know, guiding the steps where my heart must go. Every stone on this path I face leads me closer to sacred grace. Zion calls with a voice so clear, a melody only the faithful hear. Mountains rise, but I won't delay. To the holy place I find my way. Clouds may gather, storms may rain, yet my spirit prays through the cave. Each prayer a lantern, lighting the sky to Zion's gates where the angels cry. Zion calls with a voice so clear, a melody only the faithful hear. Mountains rise, but I won't delay. To the holy place I find my way. They build their towers tall with green, feeding lies to the ones in need. But the cracks are forming in their throne. Their empire's wrath is widely known. The crown will crumble, the walls will fall. No chains can hold us, we'll stand tall. The kingdom built on broken backs will shatter under our fierce attack. They promised gold but gave us chains, turned our blood to fuel their gain. But we've lit a fire, it's burning bright. Their shadows flee in the face of light. The whispers grow, a storm takes shape. No escape for those who drape themselves in lies. Their time is done, the reckoning has just begun. The crown will crumble, the walls will fall. No chains can hold us, we'll stand it's alive. Drums call in the distant night, echoes of a land where the stars burn bright, a soil that cradles stories untold, Africa's whispers, a bond to hold. Roots run deep where the rivers flow, a sacred place where the spirits know. Through the sands of time, our ties remain. Ancestral love, it calls my name. Footprints left on a sun-kissed shore, memories etched, they forever soar. A tapestry woven with golden hands, Africa's heart beats through these lands. The wind carries songs of ancient kings, voices rise as the village sings. Bound by the past yet future bound, in Africa's arms we're always found. Roots run deep where the rivers flow, a sacred place where the spirits know. Through the sands of time, our ties remain. Ancestral love, it calls my name. Mountains watch as the dawn awakes, Savannah whispers and the jungle shakes. Every tree and stone a sacred guide, Africa's soul where we all reside. Of the ancient skies, drums in my chest, they beat so loud, a calling deep from the sacred ground. Roots of the soul, they're pulling me near, echoes of ancestors loud and clear. Of time I see the truth of the world flows into me. Voices of past, they hum in the breeze, guiding my steps through the forest of trees. Every shadow and every light we start. Through the ashes I find my way. The cycle of life in endless play. Taught me to kneel, to lower my gaze, but my spirit rebelled, it set ablaze. The chains were words, sharp and sly, yet my mind soared, it kissed the sky. Unchained will never bow. We break the scripts they wrote. Somehow their flags can't hold what's born to be free. The truth lives in you, it lives in me. They painted my history with stolen hues, taught me to love their lies as truths, but roots run deep, they cannot hide the strength that blooms from what's inside. Whispers of ancestors guide my feet. In every pulse, in every beat, the walls they built are crumbling down. We wear resistance like a crown. Unchained minds will never bow. We break the scripts they wrote. Their flags can't hold what's born to be free. The truth lives in you, it lives in me. The stars don't ask permission to shine. The rivers don't question if they're divine. And so we rise with hearts unbound, breaking the silence, finding our sound. blazing light. From the corners they thought they'd erase, we are the echoes they can't replace. We are the fire that won't burn out, a roaring wave when they scream and shout. The voice of truth will rise and sing, breaking chains to spread its wings. Every scar a story etched in our skin, every tear a river that flows from within. We are the chorus that won't be denied, a storm of justice that will not subside. We are the fire that won't burn out, a roaring wave when they scream and shout. The voice of truth will rise and sing, breaking chains to spread its wings. Speaks louder than words, a fire burning, hearts are stirred. The beat's a weapon, truth unfurled. Freedom rises in this world. Dance to the sound of resistance tonight. Chains are breaking in the pale moonlight. Voices rising, spirits take flight. Reggae carries us to freedom's side. Drums are pounding, hearts align. The bass line echoes through the spine. Truth in the melody, so divine. Breaking the shackles, crossing the line. The groove's a river, flowing strong, carrying hope where we belong. A harmony of right and wrong, building a world where we all belong. Dance to the sound of resistance tonight. Chains are breaking in the pale moonlight. Voices rising, spirits take flight. Reggae carries us to freedom's side. Each drum's a message, bold and clear, a call for justice, we persevere. Through the rhythm we conquer fear. Freedom whispers, we're all near. Strength to face the fight. Each step is blessed by their grace. We are threads in their great weave, legacies we dare believe. Found a calm within the storm, a quiet fire to keep me warm. The chaos fades, the noise unwinds, a gentle rhythm soothes my mind. Inner peace, a light that shines, a love that grows through endless time, a heart that whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. I walk through shadows bathed in gold, step a story to be told. The world is brighter when I give a life of love is mine to live. Inner peace, a light that shines, a love that grows through endless time, a heart that whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. I let the fear just drift away, replaced with joy in every day. The present moment here to stay, a sacred song I softly play. Inner peace, a light that shines, a love that grows through endless time, a heart that whispers life's a gift. With every breath my soul will live. In my a story of roots of gold. I rise like the dawn from the cradle of time. Every step I take, the mountains climb. Strong and radiant, unbowed, unbent, I carry my pride, my soul's testament. Under the baobab where ancestors sing, echoes of wisdom, they give me wings. My feet on the soil, my heart in the sky. Resilient spirit, I'll never deny. I rise like the dawn from the cradle of time. Every step I take, the mountains climb. Strong and radiant, unbowed, unbent, I carry my pride, my soul's testament. Through the storms and the winds, I'll remain, unbroken by loss, unshaken by pain. The roots run deep, the branches extend. Africa's heart beats, it will never end.